Electrical conversion kit, some bolts and line nuts included, accessory pack. Everything looks quite decent. Additional hinges. I'm not sure, this one is probably added perhaps, because you have three of them. Looking quite good. Cable for pull and magnets. So these magnets quite possibly will go for the canopy. Spinner alloy. Like 75. Tail wheel assembly, all metal. Nice CNC fork. The wheel is really wobbly up. I don't like that, but that's not a big deal, is it? Easy fix. Metal hub and this spring steel, no, not too bad. Packing kit, double side tape, some extensions with the tail light. I hope it's blinking. But the controlling unit needs a connector. I don't know what voltage it is. I don't see any manual instructions. I think the manual is downloadable, huh? That's extra bits and bobs for the canopy. The accessory bag is quite full. Not good. Solid bolts. Hopefully good quality. Stainless steel. All these little bolts holding the horns in place. Stainless. Blind nuts for firewall. And these standoffs. They look solid. Long bolts. Nice large surface. Hopefully that will do beautiful knife edges. So 2 push rods already. So that's Oh, this one is for the tail wheel. And one push rod. The cable pull was for the tail wheel. So 8 inches is outside. Inside, where the cylinders will sit, we're talking about 7.5. So we're gonna have 7.5 maximum. The length, that's a lot of space. Lots of space available. From the center to the bottom of the canopy seems like 6 inches at the exhaust port. Over here is somewhere about 4 to 5 inches over there. The finish is not perfect. I guess this is the opening for the leg. What the heck? Let's do it, shall we? Seems like 12mm ply. To support this. Okay, so the axle is not screwed in. It's just one grab screw holding this in place. This seat nice and flush with the wing. It's just below the collar. Very nice, very nice. Very nice. nice holes, big alloy plate, thick, nice screws. Very good design, I like it. This one will work. Yeah, this one will work. You have to be on the angle like that. You see the paint? It's quite cool, isn't it? Just closing the video, I want to say a few words. I love Super Chipmunk. I've been flying 72 inches one for the whole season, and it's one of my favorites. It's doing everything I am asking for in quite predictable manners. Anyway, if it wasn't for this nylon bolt holding the front canopy, I don't have any negatives to say about it. Hardware pack looking good, alloy spinner decent, everything well thought through. The tail wheel quite scale, the legs, the main landing gear is beautiful. The canopy is looking quite scale. I will do my best to make this nice and rigid so it's not rattling away in the mid-flight. I have a few engines I try, as you can see in the video, and I'm having hard time to decide which engine to put in it. 4-stroke, you know, torque monster like GF40, which should be enough for this model, to be honest. If it's around 7 kilo, then this should pull enough. I just want to say thank you, Seagull, for bringing this as promised in November to UK. Okay, I will see you in future videos. I've got lots of vintage models and new projects coming up soon. Few twin engine models, EDFs and vibes and patterns and warbirds, all kinds. So I will see you in the field in near future. Don't forget to like and make some comments, because that's the reward for all the time putting into making these videos. Take care, bye bye.